Hey, welcome back to Ray's Extreme Engines. Here we are with the shop truck, the small block 355 with the 177 supercharger. So I finally finished the exhaust. It's 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back, dual exhaust. It's Flowmaster FX. Those are the Flowmasters I bought. I believe they were $45, $47 a piece. What a deal. So here we are. I'm gonna fire it up so you get to hear it run. You did hear it run with open hitters, but here it is with the full exhaust, 3-inch exhaust all at the back. So you can hear it here, and then you can hear it at the back, and then I'll rev it up so you can see what it sounds like. There you go. That's the Flowmaster FX. Sounds pretty good. So next video will be running the truck, doing some burnouts, having some fun. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, share this video, and we'll see you on the next one.